Hey there guys, today we'll be painting the Stone Golem from Reaper Miniatures to the tabletop level standard. First thing I want to do is grab a scalpel or other sharp blade and gently trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take extreme care with this step and always cut away from yourself. I've base coated the entire model with shadowed stone using my airbrush, but you can easily do this by hand if you like. Next up we'll do some washes. Take stone wash and cover the entire model in this, making sure it gets in all the nooks and crannies. When that is dry, pop a bit of black wash on your palette and selectively apply this to the darkest areas, like his armpits, and anywhere shadows will fall, like under his belt and chin. Now use some brown wash and paint this anywhere dust and dirt would settle, especially around his shoulders. Now it's time for some dry brushing. Using shadowed stone and a ridiculously large makeup brush, gently dry brush the entire model. Follow this with a lighter dry brush of stone grey. Finally, dry brush only the upper areas of the model with weathered stone and return the makeup brush to its rightful owner. Base coat the base with desert stone. Using a far more sensibly sized brush, gently dry brush the base with desert sand. It helps to get a little of this on his feet, as it will look like he's been walking through the dirt. And with that, the model is complete. Now don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons, check out our other tutorials, and we will see you soon.